Hey everyone, it's Miss Halliburton, and today we're talking about part whole. And that's another way of saying two numbers added together gives you one bigger number. So as you can see, I have a tens frame, and it is filled with two different colors. So altogether filled up, these are 10 dots, but there's two different colors making up the filled up frame. So I have 8 red dots and 2 blue dots. And that also tells me an equation, which is 8 plus 2 gives you a total of 10 altogether. I can also show this using Unifix cubes. So altogether, I have a big rod of 7 cubes altogether. But it's broken down into two different colors, so those will each represent a part. I have 4 blue and 3 purple. Altogether, that gives me 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Next, I can use a number bond to also represent part whole. So my two parts are the smaller boxes off to the side, and my whole is the one big box where the question mark is. So for part 1 at the top, I have 3 orange bears. So this part is 3. Under it, I have 4 blue bears. This part is 4. So in order to get the big number off to the side, I have to add these two parts together to make one whole. So I can go 1, 2, 3, and add the next ones. 4, 5, 6, 7. So my whole would be 7. I can do it again, but these are dots. So remember, I have two parts off to the side, and I need to add them together to give me one whole number. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 in my first box, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the next box. So I'm going to add them together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11 whole dots all together. You can also do a number bond with numbers instead of pictures. So I have part number 1, which is 5, and the second part, which is 3. And in order to figure out the whole, I need to add this part and this part together. So I have 5 plus 3, so 5, 6, 7, 8. My whole is going to be 8. Here it is. All right, and lastly, we can also do part whole with a missing part. So before we had to figure out the whole, which was missing, but now we have to figure out a part that's missing. So I know I have 2, and I have to figure out what number I need to add to 2 to give me a whole of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 all together. So what's my missing number? 2 plus what gives you 6? Well, I'm going to cover up these 2 at the top with my hand and count the rest in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. My missing part is the number 4. So if I had 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's right, because I have 6 whole bears in this left part. So that is part whole. And remember, we can have one missing whole where we have to add the two parts together. And we could also have a missing part where we have to figure out what number we are adding to the other part to give us the number that is in the whole.